Hey everybody, hope you guys are healthy and safe. So excuse my look. I know I look a little bit like disheveled right now. That's because I've been stuck inside a room for the past like 6-7 days. I'm doing a mandatory quarantine right now because I just came back to Hong Kong from the US. Everybody has to do it. And it is what it is, man. So anyway, even though I am stuck inside a room, I am still getting deliveries every day. I just got a package. Is this one, the Realme GT Neo. This is the special Dragon Ball branded version. Now, to be honest, I usually find these like branded variant of a phone to be a little bit gimmicky, but this one is a little bit special to me because I did grow up reading Dragon Ball when it was a manga in the early 90s. So anyway, let's begin with the unboxing. There's probably gonna be like stickers and all these kind of Dragon Ball themed stuff to take a look at, so we'll see. Okay, let's take a look at the front of the box first. So we have 3 versions of Goku. We have normal Goku, Super Saiyan 1 Goku, and Super Saiyan 3 Goku. And then here it says Realme in Chinese, 真, or that's how you say in Cantonese, Realme GT Neo 2, and then it says Dragon Ball Limited Edition. On this side it says Dare to Leap, with again 3 versions of Goku on the box. So let's take a look at the papers first. There should be some stickers in here. Okay, so we have a card, a collector's card with Shenlong, and then we have a Realme sticker with Goku and Vegeta, a sticker with Shenlong and Goten. We have Majin Buu, Hercules. I think that's what he's called in English, Hercules. You know, in Japan and also in Asia, he's called Mr. Satan. We're Piccolo, Gotenks, Gohan. I don't know the English name of this person because when I read Dragon Ball as a kid, I read it in Chinese. We have Videl, Gohan, some instructions and stuff. And here is the phone. Oh, okay. So the phone's back looks like Goku's outfit, but we'll put it to the side and see what we get first. I'm pretty sure we get a phone case and the usual charging bricks and stuff. Yeah, so we have a phone case. Unfortunately, this is just a black phone case. I don't know why they didn't make it a Dragon Ball themed phone case. We have a Super Dart Charge, which is basically the same fast charging tech as Oppo's Super VOOC and OnePlus's Dart Charge. We have a USB-C cable. Nice, this is a SIM ejector tool with the Dragon Ball Z logo on it. The tool is rounder than usual, it's shaped like a Dragon Ball. Oh, it is. It has the 4-star Dragon Ball. Okay, and then let's open up the phone. So this is a glass back. It's been painted over. It feels pretty nice. It's matte coating, and there's a little bit of design right here, but when you run your finger through it, you don't feel anything, so it's not like textured. Oh, this is textured, the Goku sticker. Is this a sticker? It might just be a sticker, actually. I don't want to rip too hard into it. And we have a triple camera system here, headlined by a 64 megapixel main camera, and I believe an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. So it's not the most premium camera system, but hey, this is not quite a premium flagship phone. It's a mid-tier phone because it runs on Snapdragon 870, which is a souped-up version of the Snapdragon 865. So that's like a 2-year-old chipset, but it's still pretty capable. It's just not like a tip-top premium flagship SoC. We'll see if they did anything with the UI, because sometimes they do, like with the Cyberpunk edition of the OnePlus 9 or OnePlus 8. Okay, we're in. So we see they have a custom wallpaper with Goku, and the icons have also been customized to have this Dragon Ball Z aesthetic. So this customization has also been applied to third-party apps like Bilibili and Baidu. So these are not native Realme apps, but these are Chinese apps. Of course, I'm pretty sure the customization will stop with just Chinese apps. So if you install Instagram, I don't think it's gonna have this customized template over it. So once you jump into the apps, they appear to just look normal. So this is just a skin. It's not like you jump into the messaging app, you're getting that Dragon Ball theme. You're not. It's just how the app icon looks. Okay, because this phone is only sold in China, it does not come with Google apps out of the box. But you should be able to install Google really easily by just jumping into the App Store. This is Realme's native App Store. Search for Google and then just install any Google apps because the framework is already in the phones. So we see Google Docs right here. That should do it. Outside of the custom wallpaper in the apps, I don't think there's anything else about the phone that is different from a standard Realme GT Neo. Let's see if there are more wallpapers. Okay, so you do have a couple more wallpapers to choose from. That's it, just 3 really. Okay, so Google Apps has been installed. So you can see that it doesn't have that completely customized skin as other apps, but it still has that orange frame around it and a little bit of that 3D effect. But let's tap into Google Apps. So you see, you go to Google Docs, it should ask you to sign in. So I should just be able to log in to my Google account. That's basically all you need to do with any Chinese phone that's not a Huawei. You know, installing Google is just a matter of downloading an app. It's unfortunate that ever since what happened to Huawei, every time I review a Chinese phone, people ask me, can you install Google? And I have to answer the same question over and over when the answer is yes. You can install Google on any Chinese phone, just not Huawei, because the US government went out of its way to ban Huawei. So I am in my Google account. So now I need to download Google Play. Once I set up Google Play and install my other apps, I can get this phone to behave like a global version of a Realme device in 20 minutes. And let's check if there's stereo speakers on this thing. I think there probably is. Alright, so we just gotta play one of these Chinese videos because I don't have YouTube on this phone yet. Yeah, you're definitely getting sound from out here and from out here. And we'll test the cameras really quick outside my window. It would be cool if the camera app would have a Dragonball layout, but we don't. So it's really just a superficial skin on the home screen. So we have a main camera, ultra wide, 2x zoom, and then 5x. And you can jump up to 20 times. But all these zoom are just digital zoom because there is no telephoto zoom lens in this camera module. It is just a main and ultra wide camera along with a macro lens. So let's see if the macro lens work. I mean, it should. Okay, if you jump into more, you see there's a mode called ultra macro. So now it's on. Let's try this Apple. Okay, it's okay. You can't really get as close as like a Galaxy S21 Ultra and an iPhone, but this is a decent macro shot, looks like. I wouldn't call this an ultra macro though. So that's about it for this unboxing and very quick first look at the Realme GT Neo 2 Dragon Ball Edition. So this phone retails for around $420, the equivalent of $420 in China. And apparently it will see a release internationally sometime down the line. So who is this one for? Obviously, if you're a fan of Dragon Ball, like a die-hard fan, this is a good collector's item. Or even if you don't care about Dragon Ball, you just want a really solid budget phone, this is pretty good. $420 US. You're getting a 6.6-inch 120Hz OLED display, Snapdragon 870. So, you know, it was a flagship chip just 2 years ago, so still a very capable chip. And a main camera that is solid. I can't say it's great. Solid main camera. Ultra wide is a little bit weak, and that's it. Yeah, I mean, the camera system for someone like me who are used to using all the best phones, this is not going to impress me, obviously, but it's a collector's phone. So anyway, that's about it for this video. I have a lot more content coming up. I think I'm getting the OnePlus 10 Pro very, very soon. So stay tuned to this channel if you want to see more content. Because even though I'm stuck in a room, I am still getting all the latest gadgets out of China. So that's it for now. Take care.